Hey guys, in this topic I'm going to be discussing template literals. They're delimited with backticks instead of double or single quotes. They allow for embedded variables and expressions. Maybe we're working on a page for an online store. Let's create 3 variables. Let username make up some username. Let items for the number of items that we have. Our cart has maybe 3 items in it. Let total and make up some total price. $75. Okay, so normally if I would like to display these variables along with some strings with console.log, I would write something like this. Hello, username. You have items in your cart. Your total is $. Total. Hello, bro, you have 3 items in your cart. Your total is $75. Another way of writing this, which I like to use, is to use template literals. In place of single or double quotes for strings, we will use these backticks. So I'm going to copy these 3 lines of code, turn these into comments. So when using backticks, we can embed a variable or expression within a string. For this first string, let's type hello, and to embed a variable or expression, use a $sign followed by a set of curly braces. And we can embed a value, variable, or expression. I would like to embed my username. So currently, this is what we have. Hello, your username. Let's try this again. You have, I would like to embed items. So that's $, curly braces, type the variable name, items, the word items, in your cart. You have 3 items in your cart. Your total is $, curly braces, total. So if you need that $, I could just precede this with another $. Your total is $75. I find using template literals a lot easier to work with. Here's a scenario. What if we would like to display one very long string? Here's what we can do. Let's assign a new variable, let text equals, and I will copy what we've placed within these log statements. Make sure it begins and ends with that backtick character. So we have assigned this entire string template to a variable text. If I need to display all of this, I can simply just use this text variable. Console.log text. Hello, bro, you have 3 items in your cart. Your total is $75. Where this is really helpful is if we need to update an HTML element with some text, especially if it takes up several lines. Let's head to our HTML file. I'll create a new label. Label, add a closing tag. I'll give this an ID of my label. In place of displaying this to my console, I'm going to update this label. To select that label, I will type document.getElementById. The ID was my label. Change the inner HTML equal to text. And this is what we have currently. Except I'm going to add some line breaks. I'll add that here, here, and maybe here. So there you go. Hello, bro. You have 3 items in your cart. Your total is $75. By using template literals, they allow for embedded variables and expressions. It's a more flexible way to write some output. I'll be using these a lot more in the future because, well, I like them. So yeah, those are template literals, everybody. If you would like a copy of this code, I'll post this in the comment section down below. And well, yeah, those are template literals in JavaScript.